Welcome back to the broadcast. Thanks for staying with us. Now, 8 Nakuru County officials have been summoned to appear before the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission to record statements concerning the 22 million shillings paid to various law firms. This follows a recommendation by the Senate Public Accounts Committee, which says the payments and the procurement of legal services did not follow legal procedures. A report by Auditor General Nancy Gathungu had also flagged the procurement as the services were irregular. Ken Gashuhi reports.
Just days after the Senate Public Accounts Committee questioned Nakuru Governor Susan Kihika, further investigations into the payment for legal services to private law firms have begun. Appearing before the committee chaired by Homa Bay Senator Moses Kajwang, Governor Kihika struggled to justify the 22.6 million shillings paid to 6 law firms without the approval of the County Executive Committee.
Despite the county having recruited its own county attorney, the private firms were engaged to represent the county in court cases without approval by the County Executive Committee. County Executive made payments of 22.6 million in respect to legal fees to 6 law firms. Further documentation on how the law firms were identified were not provided for audit.
Following the Senate Committee's recommendation, 8 county officials have now been summoned to appear before the EACC to record statements over the payments amid fears that public funds were either lost or misused. The first to be questioned this Monday will be County Attorney Caleb Nyamwange and Chief Officer in the Department of Public Service Charles Koech at the EACC South Rift Region offices in Nakuru. Others to appear on Tuesday include Gender and Youth Chief Officer Gladys Kamuren, Clerk of the County Assembly Joseph Malinda, who recently resigned from the position of Chief Officer for Finance, and the Supply Chain Management Director Anne-Marie Kuria. The Head of Budget and Planning Ashina Wanga, Chief Officer in the Office of the Governor Martin Kagai, and the current Finance Chief Officer Evelyn Kakai will shed light on the issue on Wednesday. Auditor General Nancy Gathungu's report also noted that the county government failed to provide adequate explanations regarding a shortfall of 339 million shillings in 28 bank accounts of the county government. Questions have also been raised over 93 million shillings used for training of county officers and another 6.8 million shillings allegedly spent on the purchase of tires for county vehicles. The issues are part of the 2023-2024 financial year audit. Ken Gashuhi, KTN.
Stated it. Okay. Don't go back to it.